Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the SAT question of the day. Today is the 7th of February 2026, so let's begin. So here we have a reading and writing question in the information and ideas domain, and it has hard difficulty. So here the question is asking us, which choice most logically completes the text? So now let's read the text. The text says that the domestic sweet potato, Ipomea batatas, I hope I said that right, descends from a wild plant native to South America. It also populates the Polynesian islands, where evidence confirms that native Hawaiians and other indigenous peoples were cultivating the plant centuries before seafaring first occurred over the thousands of miles of ocean separating them from South America. To explain how the sweet potato was first introduced in Polynesia, botanist Pablo Munoz Rodriguez and colleagues analyzed the DNA of numerous varieties of the plant, concluding that Polynesian varieties diverged from South American ones over 100,000 years ago. Given that Polynesia was peopled only in the last 3,000 years, the team concluded that. Okay, so here the text is talking about the sweet potato. It says that it is within the Polynesian Islands and in South America, but it also says that it's been there for 100,000 years and that people only came there in the last 3,000 years. So 100,000 years ago, there was sweet potato in Polynesia, and 3,000 years ago, people came over there. So based on what we know from the text, let's read the answer choices. A says that the cultivation of the sweet potato in Polynesia likely predates its cultivation in South America. Nothing like that is mentioned in here. Also, it says that it descends from a plant native to South America. So it originally came from South America, so it's impossible for it to be cultivated in Polynesia before South America. B says that Polynesian peoples likely acquired the sweet potato from South American peoples only within the last 3,000 years. This is wrong because the sweet potato was already on the island before they came there, so they didn't have to need to get it from South America. C says that human activity likely played no role in the introduction of sweet potato in Polynesia. That is possible because the sweet potato in Polynesia was 100,000 years before the humans came, or I guess 97,000 years before the humans came, meaning that the humans had no impact on its introduction. And D says that Polynesian sweet potato varieties likely descend from a single South American variety that was domesticated, not wild. That is wrong because it says that it said descended from a single one, but over here they said that they researched numerous varieties of the plant. And it was stated earlier that it descended from a wild plant, which means that this can't be right, leaving us with C. And when we check our answer, we get it right. Hooray! Thank you for watching today's video, and stay tuned for more.